Imagine waking up 10 years from now. One version of you checks their bank account and smiles. The other checks it and feels stressed. They had the same job, the same salary, the same opportunities. So why did their lives turn out so differently? It wasn't because one was smarter. It wasn't because one got lucky. It all came down to one simple money rule that most people never learn. And once you hear it, you'll wonder why nobody told you sooner. What it means. The rule is simple. Pay yourself first. Most people get paid and immediately start paying everyone else. Rent, bills, shopping, entertainment. Then at the end of the month, they try to save whatever is left. Usually, that's nothing. Instead, save first. The moment your paycheck arrives, move a part of it into savings or investments before you spend a single dollar. Think of it as paying the most important bill you'll ever have, your future self. Real example. Let's keep the numbers simple. Imagine you save $200 every month. Instead of waiting until the end of the month, you move that money into a savings or investment account the day you get paid. If you keep doing that for 10 years and your money grows at an average of 8% a year, you'll have about $36,600. Remember, you only put in $24,000 of your own money. The rest comes from your money earning more money over time. That's the power of starting early and staying consistent. Why schools don't teach this? Schools teach us how to pass exams. They teach us formulas, facts, and grades, but very few teach us what to do with our first paycheck. Nobody tells us that one simple money habit can change our future. So people spend years learning how to earn money, without ever learning how to make that money work for them. That's why someone with an average income can build wealth, while someone earning much more still struggles every month. And that one missing lesson has quietly cost millions of people decades of financial progress. 3 simple steps. Getting started is easier than you think. First, decide on an amount you can comfortably save every payday. Even a small amount is enough to begin. Next, move that money as soon as your paycheck arrives. Don't wait until the end of the month because life always finds a way to spend it. Finally, pretend that money doesn't exist. Build your monthly budget with what's left and let your savings quietly grow in the background. Keep doing this month after month. The habit matters more than the amount. Conclusion. The truth is, your future isn't decided by one big decision. It's built by the small choices you make over and over again. Every paycheck gives you 2 options. Spend first and hope something is left. Or pay yourself first and build the life you've always wanted. 10 years from now, your bank account will tell the story of the choices you made today. So when your next paycheck arrives, make sure the first person you pay is the one who has to live with every decision you make. You. If this made you think differently about money, hit like. It genuinely helps this channel grow. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe to Rich Blueprint for more simple money lessons every week. See you in the next one.